Hello, my name is Dorian, and I have written a book about Japanese joinery. What does this have to do with me, you ask? Maybe nothing. Maybe a new world of possibilities is waiting to be discovered by you. Constructing objects with lives spanning over generations can be achieved with the ingenuity of wood joinery. That extra little bit of refinement and aesthetics can be attained with tried and tested joinery from Japan. Showcased in this book are over 65 joints found in building construction, interior fitting, and fine furniture. Fantastic high-resolution photographs show the intricacies of the mysterious craft. Precise descriptions give reason to the seemingly playful geometric forms. Handmade drawings give further insight to the ins and outs of the constructions. Technical drawings with definite measurement ratios round out the concentrated pool of information presented on every spread. 175 pages printed on matte paper are the foundation for well-executed layout and typography, bound in linen and embossed for an aesthetic pleasure beyond words. This book is all you need.